Hey guys, welcome to music for Thursday, May 14th. Today is our last day for journeying through the stars and in our solar system. So let's get started for our journey today. Our resources. We've gone from Saturn to our silly wonky planet Uranus, and today we are taking our journey to Neptune. A little bit about Neptune, the god. He is the god of fresh water and the sea. He's one of the three brothers between him, Jupiter, and Pluto. Jupiter was the god of the heaven, or he was also the god of thunder, the king of the gods, so to speak. And then the other one is Pluto, who was the god of the underworld. And so Neptune got the sea. He is also associated with dreams and illusion, spirituality, and religion. So that kind of plays into why he would be considered the planet, considered the mystic. So let's talk about Neptune, the planet. Neptune, the mystic. Neptune as a planet is the 8th and farthest planet from the sun. It takes about 165 Earth years to orbit the sun. It's also classified as an ice giant, as our planet yesterday was. It has 13 moons and 6 rings, and it's the only planet that we've talked about so far not visible without a telescope. In fact, it is also interesting story that it is not visible without anything like a telescope, but it was also discovered by a mathematical prediction instead of by just observation. They knew that there was a planet out there because they had all these calculations, and they kind of figured out that there should be a planet there. And they discovered it with their telescope in 1846 by having all the mathematical equations and everything else. So it has the notion of having it be discovered by mathematical equations, not by, oh, hey, there's a planet there. Look, pretty neat, I think. So, excuse me, let's talk about what we expect for Neptune as a piece of music. So it's mystic. So what do you think that should sound like? Do you think it'll sound kind of calm? Do you think it'll sound kind of busy? Is it going to be laid back? I don't know. Let's listen to it and find out. Neptune the Mystic. If you think about it, you could picture yourself kind of floating in water while you listen to this. I'm going to jump ahead a little bit. Still kind of calm, still kind of a little ethereal with the harp and the jump ahead a little bit more. Oh, there's some singing. That's a little unexpected. I'm going to skip ahead just a little bit more. Just kind of fades out. And then that's how it kind of ends. It just fades out. So I think it lives up to its mystic, kind of mysterious name. What do you think? All right, now we have to talk about one more thing. What happened to the other two planets? What do you think? What happened to those other two planets? Where is Pluto? There's a really good explanation for where is Pluto. Pluto was not discovered by astronomers until 1930. It's 14 years after Holst had completed the planets. Can't write about it if it hadn't been discovered yet, right? Well, that makes sense. Now, there has been a composer who wrote a Pluto to go with it, but I didn't include it because Holst didn't do it. And then also, Pluto's kind of been demoted since then. It's not a real planet anymore. It's kind of a dwarf planet. Plus, since Holst didn't write it, I didn't include it in here. See, Holst lucked out too because Pluto's been demoted again. Now, where is Earth? Well, this makes sense. Earth was not included because it's the reference points that we're all on right now. We all know about Earth, so we don't need to include it. However, we are now, after this, starting tomorrow, going to do a little bit of discovery on Earth and other cultures and other countries. So we're actually kind of including Earth in it. We're going to learn about other countries' music and other countries' music and instruments and a little bit about it. So get ready to start your journey on Earth tomorrow, and I will see you then. Bye.